So it's got mandarin, orange, and a bit of musk, some woody and some floral note. No,
it sounds like the Victoria Beckham one.
You need to give it a try because it is not musky musk.
Beautiful, very wearable, very unique, not overpowering, but like you say, not like a body spray. It will stay on.
Ding, 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 ding. You've just absolutely nailed describing that one as like a personality.
So pins for pine. So if you're not across the brand Nioxin, it's, pretty much a pharmacy brand that is relatively expensive, but very.
It works.
Yeah, it's very well respected in the industry. I jump on Reddit or into the You Beauty group and you'll find a lot of people that really enjoy it. One of my best friends was born with 3 strands of hair. It's just how her hair is.
So your best friend is Schmiegel?
My newbie is something so new, I haven't even opened the box yet. So when we get PR, look at you, little nosy face. When we get PR submissions here at Mamma Mia, we've got little lockers that our mail goes into, and most times we will open it. Actually, we've got some fun videos of you and I opening our mail on Instagram.
Your mail, and I was so excited, especially when you gave me things.
Well, why I haven't opened this one is I know what's inside, in that I read the box and I was like, well, I feel attacked, but I need you. It says, did you know your scalp ages 6 times faster than your face?
What?
Well, I did not know.
Who cares though?
Oh, you care.
I don't care.
Your scalp cares.
No,
Wait till your hair starts falling out and you can't heat style. Nioxin is the brand, Pro Clinical. Shall we open together?
Yes.
Okay, it's the Age Defense Shampoo, Conditioner and Serum by the looks of the box.
I feel sad though.
Why? Because we're so old?
No, because it's like
boring.
Scalp hair care. I was hoping for something really fun that we could play with.
We've had quite a lot of hair questions lately, so I'm giving the newbies what they want. We had someone who wanted their hair to be thicker.
Nioxin is really good as well.
Thank you. And also, I can't help what's new. Wait till I come back in a few weeks with amazing hair and you'll be like, what's that? Oopsies. I never know how to open these on the video. So, here, Kelly, you be the student, I'll be the teacher.
Teach me.
So if you're not across the brand Nioxin, it's, pretty much a pharmacy brand that is relatively expensive, but very.
It works.
Yeah, it's very well respected in the industry. I jump on Reddit or into the You Beauty group and you'll find a lot of people that really enjoy it. One of my best friends was born with 3 strands of hair. It's just how her hair is.
So your best friend is Schmiegel? Oh, and surprise, I'm jealous. I would love Gollum to be my best friend.
Okay,
He's such a little
I don't even know
weirdo.
who those people are. I'm thinking of that baby from that. Anyway, she swears by this brand and will not use anything else. So I'm going to give this a go. I just wanted you to all know that it's brand new and it's got caffeine, hyaluronic acid, black oat peptides, and niacinamide. So
okay.
That's really good. That really goes to show your scalp is part of your face.
What does it smell like? Smell is very important.
I shall tell you. Well, look, I never have.
Well, for me.
I know, but do you ever have high hopes with a clinical type product that you're asking it to do something? Like your shampoo might smell nice.
That's why I'm saying that it's a bonus if it doesn't smell clinical.
It smells like mint, maybe.
Oh, okay.
Maybe I made that up.
I'm okay with a mint.
It's fresh and not
clinically.
No.
Yeah, it's when I don't want someone to be like, that knit treatment, like stuff
yeah, or the tar type stuff. Anyway, I'm going to give this a go, guys, because my hair is pathetic at the moment.
It's nice packaging as well. Like it looks very
they've stepped it up with a bit of colour.
Medical.
Yeah. All right. Well, apparently you've got something that smells nicer than these.
I do. So it's the new Chloé Mediterranean range in their proper, they're really grown up fragrances.
The fancy
ones. Exactly. So the nose behind this range is Quentin Bish.
Oh, yes.
And I'm going to tell you about each fragrance and let you have a little sniff test.
Oh my God, these are my favourites.
I did prepare yesterday.
So you had to have a sniff first.
Well, no, I haven't sniffed them properly, but I was like, it'll just take too long if I'm opening everything. And I also, because they're a proper perfume, which means
sitting up like I'm a student at class.
Which means that they've got a high concentration of the actual fragrance oils in it. I also was like, that's going to be very aggressive in a small recording room to be spraying them. So what I've done is I've sprayed the lid.
Aren't you a good
so you can have a little
person?
sniff.
Okay.
So this one is look at the Luxe beautiful bottles, just so nice. This one is
say it, Kelly.
Plague. Surely it's not plague. Plug de figure. This one has fig, orange blossom, floral, fruity, and green notes in it. So it's fruity at the top and then sweet white florals ending with a green.
Oh.
I love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
It's so interesting.
I mean, it smells like the color of the bottle, but the description, like as in it's not too light, but it's not.
I would say all of
them. It's like a mature green.
They've come out for European spring,
Summer.
and I would say that sums them all up.
Yeah. And the name Mediterranean.
Like
okay,
not too not too heady, but you still absolutely can wear it year round.
Agreed. Or layer.
Now, there's one that I just cannot wait for your thoughts on. So this one is Vert Solier.
Oh, delish.
I know. Anything with the word vert in it.
And Solier, like hello.
I know. So it's got mandarin, orange, and a bit of musk,
No.
some woody and some floral note. No,
It sounds like the Victoria Beckham one.
You need to give it a try because it is not musky musk.
Oh my gosh.
You know how excited I am because I just love fragrance so
no,
much.
I'm excited too. I had a bit of like, but we're going into winter. Those Europeans are so lucky.
This one is...
Oh, yeah. It's very, yes, it's not at all offensive. These are very light.
They're light, but they'll stay around, if that makes sense.
so not body spray light, but not like a date night. Like they're not, what you said before, they're not heady.
Yeah, they're not like too much.
Yeah.
I don't really like those fragrances that, I do every now and then, don't I?
That's what I was going to say.
You are lying right now. This one is my favorite one out of them. It's woody, aromatic, green, and it has eucalyptus in it and pine trees, which just sounds like it smells like the woods, but in
Christmas.
the least, no, not in a Christmas way, and the least woody ways.
Okay. Like there's a sexy man walking through the forest. Oh, damn it.
It's not a sexy man. Is
it you skipping through the forest?
Yeah.
Like free bleeding?
Exactly. No, there's no free bleeding. She's got a tampon still.
Okay, good.
But
I'm spraying this one
yeah,
then if it's
spray
your
that
favourite.
one.
And I don't have a fragrance on today.
That was 2 sprays on one wrist. That's a lot.
I don't believe in, now I'm bruising the scent.
I think that's an old wives' tale.
Of course it is. Beautiful, very wearable, very unique, not overpowering, but like you say, not like a body spray. It will stay on.
Ding, 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 ding. You've just absolutely nailed describing that one as like a personality.
Solar pins for pine.
The last
there's more.
There's one more, and I'm so curious because Lee notoriously hates lavender. This one's called Sable Lavender.
Do you know why I think I hate lavender? Because my mum used to go to like those weird nurseries and buy those awful little sachets of like dead
like
lavender
the dried
someone,
yeah.
And someone had added drops of oil. And...
No, this one, so it is like top notes are lavender, but then it's got woodiness, ambroxan and floral notes in it.
I don't know how I'm going to go.
Yeah, I really don't know how. I think this is the sexy, like it's sexy lavender.
Lavender is not sexy. Grandmas aren't sexy. I mean, grandmas can be sexy if they want, but I'm sorry. I obviously have deep-seated, because of your olfactory senses, I've got deep-seated like memories of lavender.
Don't spray it. Like that's
okay.
Smell the top. I sprayed them for you.
It smells like cardboard. Okay, like it's not offensive lavender.
It is not. Can you, like that isn't even, you wouldn't think lavender straight away.
No, you wouldn't. Do you see how I wanted to hate it?
You want to hate it so much, but I knew that I'd get you with this one.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
I would not know. I would assume, no, I wouldn't even pick lavender to be honest. It's really nice.
Because it's like a really grown up, not lavender,
No. And the bottle,
which I love because once again, all of these fragrances are just so unique.
Yeah. And I love that none of them say what they are in terms of like, it's just beautiful branding. It's not purple. Everything for lavender has to be purple. And
yeah, I completely agree. No, they've just all got the exact same packaging. They're all just absolutely stunning. Which one's your favorite? Lavender.
Your one. Oh, I don't hate the lavender.
Ooh.
Did you tell us how much they were each? Because that's the
They
scary
start
part.
at $236.
Okay, that's like
so for the smaller bottle. So expensive, but when you've got an actual nose designing your fragrance.
Which is very rare these days.
And they're all such good quality. Like I don't often
Can you just explain for listeners that don't know what a nose is? It's not like a giant nose walking around. What's a nose?
A nose is a very special person. It is someone that is trained in fragrance, and there's only a few of them around the world. Like there's not just one in every city or two in every city.
Oh God, no.
Most of them do live in
France,
where a lot of the fragrance houses are. But they've got such an exquisitely talented nose. That sounds so strange, but you know how like someone might be really good at the violin and they end up in the world's best orchestra. Some people have a nose that is just so good that they will end up making beautiful fragrances
But
for the
it's
big
very
fragrance
restrictive.
house.
They can't eat chili. They can't drink coffee. They can't, like, there's so many things. It's like being a ballerina. There's so many like restrictions. That means there's so very few official noses.
Exactly. But this one, he's done a great job.
Hasn't he?